Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be working on the 110 again. Something that I've kind of neglected to do since I bought it was buy basically a new grill. As you can see here, the old one is cracked. I think the previous owner had said that an elk had ran out in front of him, but regardless, today we're going to be replacing it. As you can see, look how nice it looks. It's beautiful. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this out and show you guys what we're going to be putting on here. So, instead of going back red, basically what we went with was all black, and I like the mesh better than I do these fins here, the fins. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood here and get started. Oh yeah, and by the way, bless you, sorry, daughter over here sneezing. Say hi, Lauren. Hello, Lauren. Yep, she's chewing on her keys. Anyway, so something that just a little update on myself is so I'm finally a civilian again. I'm no longer serving on active duty in the Marine Corps. Got out last Thursday. Pretty pumped up about that. So hopefully everything will start opening back up soon, so I can get some stuff rolling here. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. So we're going to use a 8mm socket to take off these freaking, I don't even know how many bolts, but basically just all the bolts that are holding on the grill. We're going to go ahead and take those Alright, so as you can see here, we got it on. I think it looks pretty good. I need to gonna have to get an emblem for the top here. Thought I was gonna be able to reuse the one off of my old grill, but that's definitely not gonna come off in one piece. It was a little bit tricky because this truck has an aftermarket intercooler, but it fits actually pretty good. It's like right on. It's like barely touching over here on these on this mesh, rubbing a little bit on these lines here, but all in all, it fits pretty good. I had to bend some stuff back up here because sorry, you can't see anything. Had to bend some of this metal stuff back up here because, like I said, the previous owner had hit an elk and bent some stuff up over here. As you can see, this light is just kind of barely hanging on. But so that I think that's gonna do the grill. So that's that. $100 off of eBay, not too bad. Was thinking about painting it, honestly, but I actually like the way it looks, so I don't think I'm gonna paint it or anything. I'm gonna leave it how it is. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'm hoping this weekend we got a new turbo setting right here where this air intake is. All new parts in here. Gosh, it's been over 4 weeks now, so I just been dying with excitement for my turbo and manifold to get here. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully it's gonna go up this weekend, so just check back on our channel. But if you like this video, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, please. Helps out a lot. And until next time, stay tuned.